So over the years I've had many people tell me you can't eat healthy, quick to make, cheap food that's going to fill you up on the cheap with no time. Today I'm going to prove that wrong with a meal that you can make, basically a meal that you can make if you are low on time, low on funds and low on cookery skill. Right, I've tried narrating it a whole bunch of different ways and it keeps coming off either rushed or disingenuous. So here's some cheesy ukulele instead. 299. Okay, quick note about the cost, because this thing is bloody cheap. I went on my supermarket and looked these up. As long as you follow the prices which are at the top of each screen that I show here, then you should be getting these stuff pretty damn cheap. In our family, we have it 3 meals between 3 people. That makes 9 meals in total for this whole wok of sauce. And that comes out to about 34 pence per serving before we add protein. So yeah, pretty cheap. If you have a smaller family, or even if you have it less times, it still works out pretty cheap.